If you're ready to start making money with AI and ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you not only, of course, showing exactly what I'm doing, but you're going to get access to the digital playbook, which you see right here on the screen. It has a full step-by-step checklist of everything you need to get started with the AI traffic system, prompts of what I use to create my short form content, a list of 130 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote. My favorite thing is a list of 700 plus done for you short form videos that you can go ahead and post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Facebook Reels. We have a list of done for you emails that you can already plug and play to your automations. And then other really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. All this stuff that I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't need to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you need to do is hit subscribe, comment, let me know you're taking action, and I'll send everything to you right now. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First thing you want to do is just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, grab the checklist, and it'll take you to the Make Money Online group. This is our app, and this is where the digital playbook is hosted. It is completely free. As you can see, we have 196 people. Now, once we get to 300 members, this will be not free anymore, and you will have to pay. Reason is that I'm giving so much free value, and I want to make sure that people are taking action in here and have access to me. So go ahead and join, get the digital playbook, and then you will get taken to this screen, and we're going to go ahead and go through the checklist quickly. The first tool you're going to need to get is Go High Level. Now, technically, everything that I'm going to be showing you in today's video, you can do without these tools, but these tools help you automate and turn this into a system. But I'm teaching you the framework. So go ahead and get this tool. It's a 14-day free trial. And once you get the tool, you're going to get taken to a screen that looks like this. This is going to be your account. Obviously, you're not going to have any information in the account, but the three areas that I'm going to be talking about today are going to be marketing, automations, and sites. So before we go back to the checklist, I want to go ahead and talk about sites. This is where your funnel is going to be. Funnel is basically where your opt-in page is. So you're able to collect people's information, whether it be their first name and their email address. So the one that I want to just go over is going to be this one right here, which is the free checklist opt-in. And what a snapshot is, it allows you to import all of my systems done for you already into your account. So I give this to you, boom, hit import, and then you'll get taken to the screen where I was just at. So now we're going to go back to here and just take a look about what this opt-in is. So this opt-in, super simple. Wanting to give people a place to boom, put in their information. Obviously, you can change things on the text, but I'm just giving you a framework of what an opt-in page is going to look like. An automation is just a series of emails that are scheduled out. So to get to that, we're going to go back to automations. Like I said, once you download the snapshot, you'll have access to all these. Now, the main one that I'm wanting to talk about is going to be this new email opt-in. Now, I talk about this one, and I created this one because this one has 60 done for you emails. The reason is because what I've done is I've import custom values in here. And what that means is that allows you to plug and play your affiliate link. Boom, right here, custom value. You'll import that into settings. And how you do that is we're going to go back here, go to settings, custom values, and then you're just going to create new custom value, name it affiliate link, and then you'll post your affiliate link right here in the new value. So back in the digital playbook, like I said at the beginning, under AI tools, this is a list of 130 plus different AI tools that you can get paid to promote. Now, the ones up top are the ones that I would suggest using, the ones that I've been promoting recently. Let's just, for example, talk about Traffic ID. Most of these tools go high level Traffic ID. If we scroll down to the bottom of all these softwares, tools, services, they should have a section that says be an affiliate. All you would do is click that, sign up for an affiliate. So you would copy that, go back over to here, you'd paste that value, boom. So every time someone clicks on that hyperlink in your email, this is the link that they're going to get directed. And whenever someone purchases, you'll get a subscription after their free trial. So we have the front end set up. We have our automation set up. Now we need to create content or use the done for you videos that I have right here. This is what I'm going to suggest if you're brand new, is to use this. But also in my other videos, I talk about a tool called Replicate, which allows me to create AI clones, essentially, and create that army of AI clones that are generating traffic. But if you're just starting out, go ahead and just use these done for you things. But if you do have a little bit of capital to start with, I do have a system over here that I started called the AI traffic system, where just for $97, I will set up the whole system for you and schedule out 60 days worth of AI videos for you. So once you sign up for the digital playbook, you'll have access to this. $97 if you want to go that route. If you don't do it all yourself, you'll just come in here, download 5 or 6 videos. You want a 20 to 30-second video, and then you would download all these, go into CapCut, and you would create something like this. Now, this is what I create with the AI generated videos of myself, but essentially it's going to look the same thing, where you have, instead of these pictures, you're going to have just the simple done for you videos right here. And then you're going to have one of these scripts. Just take one of these scripts and post this into ChatGPT, reword it, use your domains, whatever you want to send traffic to. And then we are going to have some type of background music. What I do for the background music is I'll just go to like royalty-free music on Google. And then this audio right here, I used a tool called 11 Labs, where it's text to speak. 11 Labs is free too. You get like 500 credits each day. So what you would do is you would have to sign in to be able to download it, but essentially just copy one of those prompts in here. Once you would sign in, it would give you an option to download that. And then I would import that into CapCut, overlay it, adjust the different volume, and then this is what it's going to turn out.
Here are 3 websites you're probably not even supposed to know exist. First, digitalplaybook.com. It's your secret guide to duplicating yourself online and making serious.
So if you could hear that, notice how it sounded a little bit like me. And what I did was I cloned my voice inside 11 Labs. So then it helps with this automating process of just creating short form content. Once you have that created, you would create 5 to 10 at a time, download them, and then you would go to marketing. This is where the social planner is, and you would schedule them out on your calendar. So you would need to hit settings up here, connect your social media accounts, whichever ones, definitely Facebook and Instagram, connect those, and then you have the ability to create new posts and schedule out content. Boom, hit new post, create new post, then you'd have your content scheduled out. Now I need to go through and finish up January, rest of my content, but for the most part, all of my short form content is done for. So with this traffic system is focusing on, you might have to put a little bit work up front, but that's the whole point of being able to create a system that can get you paid from driving traffic to different links. And that all comes from attention and creating content. So if you're stuck, if you went through this and you still need a little bit of help, just go ahead and join the playbook here, get the systems, start going through the checklist, and you'll be able to message in the chat if you have any questions. And if you want to take it to the next step and have me do the system for you, go ahead and get the traffic system. I will see you in the next one.